Hello everyone, welcome back to Baby Kelly's Kitchen. Thank you so much for clicking to watch today's video. Thank you all for all your love and your support. I appreciate you all for always stopping by to watch our video. So you guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to prepare this delicious, this sumptuous 50s and 60s delicacy. Have you made this one before? Like, have you ever tried this recipe? Oh my god, after watching this video you will thank me later. So if you want to see how I make this delicacy, sit back. So over here is the proteins I'm going to be using. Here I have meat, I have fish and stockfish. I've already parboiled it, okay? So yeah, you can use any proteins of choice. Now that the meat is cooking, I'll go ahead and add some onion, add some periwinkles, then I will add Cameroon pepper, cover it and allow it to cook. Some minutes later, it's time to add our water leaf. Add onions. Seasoning cubes, salt to taste, crayfish, give it a stir, cover and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Five minutes later, it's time to add our bitter leaf. Once you are done adding bitter leaf, go ahead and add palm oil or red oil. You guys, it's optional. If you don't want to add any red oil, you can skip it, okay? Yes, this recipe requires a lot of bitter leaf. Oh my god, if you make this for your parents or for your grandparents, oh, they will never forget it. They will always ask you to come back and make this recipe for them. If you haven't tried it, you haven't made this recipe, this water leaf and bitter leaf soup for your parents before, or you yourself, if you haven't tried it, take this to your kitchen to make and enjoy. You guys, you will come back and thank me later, okay? Have you liked this video? Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. If you love what you see, you guys, press that like button for your girl. Press it. Have you like this video, you guys? You can go ahead and share it, for sharing is caring. Okay, so once you are done putting every ingredients, adding your bitter leaf, you stir it, cover it and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes because of the bitter leaf. Okay, so it is time for you to serve it. It's time for you to serve it for yourself, to your parents, your grandparents. This food is basically for the 50s and 60s, so anyways, anybody can enjoy it. So you guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate you all for all your love and your support. Do well by subscribing if you haven't. Leave your comment, let us know what you think about this video. Like and share the video. See you in the next one.